Hey car fans, big news. A legend is back. The Honda Prelude, a name we haven't seen since 2001, is making an epic return as a 2025 to 26 model. Allow me to tell you everything you need to know about this exciting comeback. First up, what's under the hood? The Prelude is getting a modern hybrid powertrain. Honda's bringing electrification to this sporty two-door coupe. While they're keeping some details under wraps, we know it'll feature a new S Plus shift mode. This mode gives advanced linear shift control, promising a driving experience that is both exciting and engaging. When it comes to design, the new Prelude strikes a perfect balance between nostalgia and innovation. It keeps the sporty spirit of the originals while adding a fresh, modern twist. Think of it as a design based on the new Civic and Accord coupes, but with its own personality. Inside, it's all about the driver. The Prelude's cabin is packed with Honda's latest tech and premium materials, making it as comfortable as it is cutting edge. You'll feel right at home, whether you're cruising downtown or hitting the open road. Now let's talk about pricing. The base Sport is expected to start around $31,000, with higher trims going up to about $38,000. That's a pretty sweet spot for a hybrid sports coupe. It'll launch in Europe first and make its way into the US dealerships in late 2025. The revival of the Prelude also reflects Honda's broader commitment to creating hybrid and electric vehicles that push the boundaries of performance and sustainability. It's not just about nostalgia, it's about shaping the future of driving. That's what we have for the 2025 Honda Prelude. Before we go, what do you think? Will this new version bring the same energy as the original? Could it be better? If you ask me, I'd say only time will tell. Thank you for watching this episode of The Car of Today. Let me know what car you want to see in a future video.